What is up guys, Stan on this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the animated or dynamic videos in Google Veo 3. So this is a beginner friendly tutorial of how to make cinematic AI videos with just a prompt. So first you need to head over to the deepmind.google or Veo's website, and after that you just simply need to click on try in Gemini. After that, in the new tab, the Gemini will open. So from here you just simply need to click on this plus icon, and then you can upload your files and add from drive if you have an image or folder or video in the drive. And let's say I need to generate an image. I'll click on this image section, and after that I will just simply give a prompt like generate a spacious penthouse at the most expensive building of the city. And after that, I'll hit enter, and then this will process and generate the image. As you can see, it is generating the image. Due to some errors, Google Gemini is not able to generate the images because it's getting a lot of requests currently, and it says to try again later. But we will go to the flow, which is the another Google VO3 spot. So just click on try and flow, and then come over to flow, and then click on create with flow. After that, in the new tab, here the flow editor will open. Simply click on get started, and then here you just need to choose the account. After choosing the account, you just simply need to click on new project, and then from here you just need to enter the text to generate the video. And let's say generate a video of a fast moving race car. Just a minute guys. And after that, hit enter. And after hitting enter, this will start generating the videos. But currently I don't have enough AI credits to complete this request. But if you are new, you will have sufficient AI credits to generate the videos. And this is how you can generate and animated videos in Google Veo 3. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.